Math Challenge 86. Here, we challenge and stimulate your ingenuity. For once, let us be more innovative and not calculative. It is just your reason and logic. In mathematics, we regard factorial of 0 as 1. Yet, as a purely academic exercise, can you cite logic to claim that 0 factorial must be 0, or that 0 factorial must be regarded as meaningless, absurd, or undefined? Give any extra argument that isn't listed here. Challenge is to extend reasons not given here.
Let us start with this logic for saying 0 factorial must be 0. The factorial of a number includes that number as a factor. Thus, factorial of 5 includes the factor 5, its product of 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So, factorial of 0 ought to include 0 as one of the factors. And, if one of the factors is 0, the product would be 0, whatever other factors might be.
Logic for saying 0 factorial must be 0. The permutation, ways of ordered arrangements, of n objects equals n factorial. Now, if n equals 0, then obviously there is no way to arrange 0 number of objects. It would be a freak out of his head who would ask you to arrange, if there is nothing in hand. If any sane person is asked, he would say, we can't arrange nothing, rather than, there is one way to arrange nothing.
Logic for saying 0 factorial is meaningless. Factorial of n is the product of n, and all integers less than n, till 1. In terms of number line, we take n, and numbers to left of n, till 1. But for factorial 0, if take 0, and all integers below 0, we will never get 1. After 0, to left of number line, we get -1, -2, -3, etc. We shall never reach 1.
Logic for saying 0 factorial is 1. We know, for any positive integer n, or any natural number n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. For example, 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 factorial. Now, put n is equal to 1. N factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. 1 factorial is equal to 1 into 1 minus 1 factorial, or 1 into 0 factorial. So, 0 factorial is equal to 1 factorial divided by 1 is equal to 1 divided by 1 equals 1.
Logic for saying 0 factorial is 1. We know combination, number of group selection or subset selection of n objects taken R at a time is NCR equals n factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. When n equals R, then we get in the denominator n factorial into 0 factorial. Since the answer is 1, as there can be only one way to select the entire group. N factorial equals n factorial into 0 factorial equals 1, so 0 factorial equals 1. Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.